One thing to remember is that regression analysis tells us statistical patterns in the data. On its own, regression tells us correlation, not necessarily causality. Knowing correlation could be useful. For example, it could help with forecasting. Or the correlation may shed light on in what direction we should explore more in theory and data. However, to understand how society works, we need to understand cause and effect. For example, we would like to know what causes households in low-income countries to adopt technologies that improve their agricultural productivity. What causes some people to get vaccinated while others don't? Whether and by how much a policy intervention reduces poverty. The policy intervention is typically called the treatment. Those who were affected by policy intervention are treated subjects. But estimating causal effects is difficult, because, by definition, causal effect compares what is and what would have been depending on whether the subject got the treatment. As Robert Frost described in his celebrated poem, The Road Not Taken, 2 roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. Whichever road that traveler took leads to a unique path and an outcome. It is possible that that choice made no difference in things we care about. But it is also possible that the choice made all the differences years later. And if so, how? By how much? The poem highlights a fundamental challenge of causal inference, which is that the counterfactual is not observable.